Hey there, this is Isaac Mayer, your Everflow Strategic Account Manager, back with another helpful tip today. And we're going to be talking about how to talk to your partners at scale with the Everflow Communication Hub. Let's say you just bumped up the payout on your top offer and you have 80 approved partners. What do you do to actually let them know that you've improved that offer, that they could be making some more moolah from your new deal? Are you going to BCC everyone from Gmail and pray nobody replies all to that link? Drop a link in Slack and hope they're all scrolling at that exact second, or use one tool to send out 80 personalized emails with each partner's unique tracking link already embedded. Now, if you said A, good luck with that. But if you're not doing C, you're leaving money on the table. Programs don't die because of bad tracking, they die because of bad communication. Partners churn when they feel like a number, or worse, when they send traffic to a dead page because no one told them the cap was already hit. Today, I'm going to be showing you the Communication Hub, and this is going to be your central command center for keeping partners active and profitable. First up, we're going to be talking about email templates with dynamic macros. And we'll show you what this looks like. This is essentially going to be your workhorse, and instead of copying and pasting 80 links, you can just use a tracking link macro. So nice and easy, you have your workhorse here. So instead of manually copying and pasting 80 links, you can just use the offer tracking link macro. So in this case, we could just select an offer. Let's select this handy dandy test offer. And then you can see that offer tracking link. That's going to be the right link for the right partner whenever anyone opens this. So you can just set the subject to test. So once you hit send, Everflow autofills their unique link, and they can grab it straight from the email and go live without even ever logging into the portal. It's personalized, fast, and professional. So you can just see exactly what that'll look like right here. You can set that audience to be whoever you like. And you can see an example. Here's our cool GIF. And there we go. Some fun test stuff here where it says the payout, preview URL. We can set that all up nicely. But we know that email can get ignored, right? Not everyone has time to look through all their emails, but that's why we created dashboard banners. So these are HTML cards that sit at the top of the partner portal. And if you have an urgent compliance update, like stop using the word free in creatives immediately, you can put it there. Then when they check their stats daily, they'll see this banner. And you can see that right over here. So we can just start from scratch if we like. And we can just build a banner for our partners right there. And let's review it. So we can just see like a little test, but we can make that a lot prettier if we like. Finally, we're going to talk about automated alerts. So you can alert a partner when their cap is at 90% full so they can scale, or alert yourself when a new partner gets their first conversion so you can send a welcome note. So you can see all these automated system emails right here. And these are all fully customizable. Let's edit this one. You can see how we can edit the visuals, or we could do it in custom HTML, so you can add whatever you like. And then we can also preview that as well. Let's talk a little bit about strategy. Now we know how this tool works, but we have to make sure that we use it correctly. With great power comes